Good morning, student. I am Kanchan Jha. I am taking minor projects lab in 5th sem, which subject code is CS508. In this subject, we will explain how to prepare the format of minor project presentations. Firstly, we have to define the object of your problem statement. Whenever you select a problem statement, you have to define that problem statement's objective. From that, how can anyone get the benefits? Second point is idea of project. How you choose this problem state, why you choose only this problem state. In this section you have to define. Third one is technical specification. In technical specification you have to define front end and back end. Front end means GUI, how user can interact with your software, that will be defined in front end. For example, HTML or CSS can be used in front end. And back end, what is back end? Back end means how you can interact with database. In front end, we prepare a GUI from which we are interacting from user. In back end, how we interact with the database and how we will define our logics, that comes in backend. For this one you can choose, for example, PHP, MySQL, and you can take any other language. After that you have to define your process flow by the use of data flow diagram. After that you have to define role and responsibility of member. For this one I have to say that maximum 5 member can be formed in a group, or minimum 2 member can be in a group. In this point you have to define for every person who is doing what. For example, one person is doing data collection work, second person is doing front end work, third person is doing back end work, fourth person is doing testing works. In this manner you have to define all members' roles and responsibility. Thank you. From next class I will share with you the format list of project, then we will start the presentation of project. Thank you.